Okay, by the way, this is how to contact support. A lot of y'all don't know how to contact support. Okay, press account, help center, and then it freaking loads. Should load faster. Okay, I have an issue with my app. Oh, no. I need assistance on my delivery. And there you go, chat with us. The button is here, chat with us. Press chat with us and you'll be added into a queue. Queue position number 5. And obviously we don't need chat, we don't need any support lah. So we're just gonna go back and turn online. Let's see where our next orders take us to. This short clip is from the last episode on the top right. Click to watch it or check out one of my most updated playlists that I've selected for you. Fellow riders, see you on the streets!